Hi Karen, I'm going to use this video to go through your kitchen plan for you. We'll go cabinet by cabinet once we go through the full plan, and you can see the layout and the cabinet configurations, and then I'll also open up and show you the other option that had the pantry on the other side of the oven and microwave cabinet. So I'll go ahead and go through, we'll do a spin around of the whole kitchen so you get an idea of kind of the layout and the look, and then we'll go through each cabinet. Okay, so we're going to start over here on the wall. I'm going to change the view. Sometimes with these white cabinets, it's hard to see in the 3D modeling, so I'm going to go to this line view. That way you can see a better breakdown of the doors and everything. Okay, so this is a pantry cabinet here. It's 30 inches wide. There are a lot of options as far as the layout of these cabinets. This one has double doors that open with interior drawers that pull out, so you can access everything in that cabinet. So they're nice and deep, the full depth of the cabinet, so you're not losing anything in the back. Everything is accessible. Keep in mind too that these cabinets have other configuration options that you can use. As far as you could do exterior drawers and doors above with interior. So there's lots of options there. So keep that in mind. You can also just do shelves if you prefer. But it's really the sizing that we are focused on today. So that's a 30-inch wide cabinet. Next to it, you have your 36-inch wide fridge cabinet, and there's a little bit of a filler here to make sure you have enough space for that fridge to fit in. And then there is a cover panel that goes all the way to the floor. So that makes that refrigerator look nice and built in and finished. Next to your fridge, you have a 36-inch nice big 3-drawer cabinet. I like to start with using the 3 drawers, the small, medium, and large. So it's a 5, 10, and 15-inch drawer front on these drawers. You have a nice large cutlery drawer at the top, and then 2 bigger drawers. These offer a lot of storage, and they're a lot more flexible, but keep in mind that there are hundreds of drawer configurations to choose from. So if you think something else would suit your needs better, that's an easy fix. Then this cabinet here, this is a corner cabinet with a Lazy Susan. So this cabinet opens up and the Lazy Susan here swivels out and then it pulls out, so you can access everything in the back of this cabinet as well. And then this cabinet here, this is your trash cabinet. So there's a drawer inside. That drawer can be used for garbage bags, anything that you would want to keep that's going to be near your garbage. You can use in that. The other option we can do is that drawer can be an exterior drawer, so it's not actually in with the garbage. So that's an option as well. And then this will hold 2 nice size garbage cans. And then here is your 36-inch sink cabinet, double doors. And then your dishwasher to the left of your sink. And then this cabinet here is going to be your microwave and oven. It's 30 inches wide. So you have a drawer on the bottom. That drawer is a nice spot to store cookie sheets, things like that. And then above you have 2 doors with shelves. Now for your island. On this side of the island, I kept with the 3-drawer configuration all the way across. This cooktop unit, this top drawer, oh, you just lost your cooktop. This top drawer is fixed because of the cooktop itself, so it won't open. But you do have two nice large drawers here. And then each of these have the same configuration. Again, those can be changed, but we just want to mostly focus on the layout here. And then on the back side of your island, because you're going to have an overhang that extends past these cabinets, we usually will do shelves. That way, if you had a drawer here, you wouldn't be able to access it due to the cabinet or the countertop above. So this way, you still have storage. These are 15-inch depth cabinets. And you have a 24, a 30, and a 24 to reflect the same size on the back. And then we'll go over your upper cabinets. So your upper cabinets here, this cabinet is an 18-inch cabinet. And all of them just have shelves inside. And this is a 15-inch cabinet. And then you have a corner unit. There will be trim above here. It just doesn't populate in the planning software. It's a glitch. So this one is a Lazy Susan. So the Lazy Susan is adjustable in height. And so the whole thing spins. So you can access that cabinet as well. And then we have an 18, a 21, and an 18. So that fills that space there. So that's your basic cabinet layout. For this configuration, let me pull up the price here as well so you can see that. This includes the appliances, the sink, the faucet, and all of that. So keep that in mind. And then also under cabinet lighting. So this is your total. This is your appliance breakdown and your lighting breakdown. So you can see all that. And then let me go ahead and I will open. I'm going to open the other version that we did that has the pantry on the other side of the oven cabinet. So you can see what the difference would be as far as the counter space and the layout. So again, we'll do an overall spin on this one to see the overall layout, and then we'll go through each cabinet again. So very similar. Okay. So your fridge starts again with a 36-inch fridge cabinet with the cover panel. There is a cover panel. There should be one on either side on this one since this will come out past that wall. So you'll have a panel on either side. And then you have two 24-inch drawer units. Again, they're all the 3-drawer, but that can be changed. Two 24-inch drawer units. This one is a 21-inch unit with has interior pullouts. The 21-inch cabinet only comes in that configuration. It's the extra cabinet that's used for extra filler space. And that's the best 3 cabinets to fit in that space. So that is why we have that one there. And then again, you have your corner cabinet with the Lazy Susan inside. The rest of this is all the same. Your recycling, your sink, dishwasher, your oven cabinet, and then this one here is your pantry cabinet. So it's the same cabinet that we had in the other plan, just moved over And then the island is the same as well. Then for your upper cabinets, they're the same until you get to this corner unit. And then you have 3 30-inch cabinets across the top with the shelves. So you do have more upper cabinet storage. So that's really the big difference with that layout. And then we will go ahead and look at the pricing so you can see the difference. And again, this includes lighting, appliances, all of that. These prices do not include installation. These are just the product itself. Now keep in mind too, with the pantry, we can cut that down in size. These pantries come in 30, 24, 18, and 15 inches wide. So this is a 30. So there are other options if you didn't want to go that far into the room. So if you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully this was helpful. And yeah, I will give you a call and we can go over this. Thank you.